air compressor maintenance in facilities maintenance. Air compressors are a vital component of most facilities, so it's important they stay in good working order. There's different types of air compressors. We're not going to go through all the different types of air compressors, just give some general guidance as far as maintenance for them. Ideally, you want to replace the filters between 1,000 to 2,000 hours, 6 months to a year. Again, that's air filter, oil filter, panel filter. If you have an air intake filter, you also want to replace the oil regardless of usage, because oil degrades over time and needs to be replaced. And if you leave the oil in your air compressor for too long and it degrades, it can cause some serious problems. You also want to make sure that you replace the oil in your air compressor with the correct type of air compressor oil, because there are different types. And you can refer to your owner's manual or manufacturer's website to get that proper information. So here on the right hand side we see a piston style reciprocating air compressor. It's belt driven. Sort of a general maintenance schedule for all air compressors. You have daily, weekly, monthly, semi-annual, annual, and biannual maintenance requirements. Again, for your specific air compressor, you'd want to check your owner's manual, your maintenance manual. This is directly from chicagonpneumatic.com. This is their recommendation for their maintenance schedules for their air compressors they manufacture. Also, you want to make sure you maintain your air dryer. If you have any inline air water separators, a refrigerated air dryer, make sure you keep the coils clean on that, and make sure that the automatic condensate drain valve is working properly. So again, on a piston style air compressor like this, again, you want to make sure you drain the condensate out of that tank. Check the belt tension and condition. Make sure the fasteners are tight. Make sure there's no leaks. Keep it clean. Check the motor. If the motor has grease fittings, make sure you grease those. Change the air filter. Drain the oil out of the casing. Remember, with the power shut off and tagged out. And then refill it with the proper oil. There's where you would drain and fill your oil. There's your air filter. Inside there you can see there's two belts. So now we're going to look at a newer screw type air compressor. This air compressor also is a VFD drive air compressor. So instead of just having a pressure switch that controls the cut in and cut out functionality of the air compressor, this has an onboard controller. It's a computer basically. We're also looking at the maintenance schedule for this air compressor manufactured by Handbell, which I believe is a Chinese company. So you can see they have a list of items that you need to clean, check, and replace. It tells you when to check and clean those things at what hours or what interval. So again, this is a fixed screw air compressor that we're going to look at now. Here's the air filter. Here's the air in. Separator element is inside there. It's a pressurized vessel. Check the oil level. There's the oil filter, spin-on style. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thank you.